Well, here's somebody's craziness. Just open this up, cut it back, because don't have power going to the solenoid to start the engine. So I cut that back, and I thought, man, I'm gonna grab the camera because this might be a good one. I cut this out. I don't know, man. I'll just match it up 1-to-1. I guess I'll cut it back and see what kind of craziness we can find. Maybe. So basically, I'm gonna have to repair all these wires in here. So I could just, you know, but I would like to see what it looks like. That's definitely not the way you do it. Just put some heat shrink connectors on there, tape around it, should be good. So I'll probably have to do all the wires. Look at that, it's just taped up all over. Yeah. No sense even taking that all apart. Just gonna have to. I got enough length on this that I'll just cut it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it. I got enough length on both sides, so we'll just cut this out. Hope for the best, I guess. Got a lot of connections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 connections. Alright, let's cut it back a little bit. It's just gonna peel. It's old. Pretty old. Yeah, I bet you just peel this off. An old one there. Yeah, alright, so let me see if I got 7 connectors. Yeah, I got connectors, so now let's see. Just start peeling them back. So this, we'll start with this yellow because that's the wire that wasn't getting. See if it's making it to here. Yeah, it looks fine. It looks fine, as Derek would say. Alright. So I'll just connect my meter to one side of this. And positive to the other side of that. Turn my meter on. Turn the key. Okay, so we don't see if I hooked up. Make sure. And that's a yellow. So we'll take and do something like this. Make sure the line is good. Okay, there's that. And then there's this red. Should come over here. Alright, so we don't even have continuity in the line. Right, there's no continuity on that line. Alright, well that's a bummer. Maybe it does. So yeah, no continuity. What the heck? That's working. No continuity. So must have another break. Dang it. Must have another break somewhere in the line. All right, well, let's see here. Let's do this. See if I got it to the engine. Yeah, so we got it to the engine. So basically that yellow line would be our start switch. So we got it from, you know, right here. But we don't have it from here to here. Yeah, there's nothing. So either we got another break somewhere or we got a bad line. I just don't know. Either scapping another line or see, we got, you know, this would be solenoid. This would be ground. gray, I believe, is probably our choke. Yeah. Red would be hot. Orange would be orange. Would go through the tilt trim switch. There's a tilt trim limit switch. Would go over to the switch box. But isn't white? I think white turns them on. I may have to look at a wire diagram for this. But as long as I'm at, these were working, this was not. So somewhere in here they have tried to do something. And now that I've got it like this, I could probably pull it back through. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find out where they've got the brake in or scabbing a new line.